Volkswagen T4, trying to do the spring mount. Haven't found another video on YouTube, so I thought I'd do this one. How I'm going to do it anyway. Well, the old one's in really bad condition. I'll put some pictures up of how it was. It was worse than this. I tried to clean it up and then I thought it'd be easier just to make a new one. That had rotted as well. This is the one I made. Here's a round piece of an old axle stand, which was the right diameter. Welded a thick piece of steel inside. I didn't have a thick enough washer to do it, so I made a piece. And then fitted the rubber bump stop. That should fit under there once it's in, but there's got to be another skin that goes over. That was the cross member that goes that way, but that was just as rotten and what's the name, so I made a new one of those, which is here. It's going to go that way, and that will sit over the top of that like so, obviously underneath the lid, and then there's going to be another skin that comes from here to the end before the floor pan goes in. Well, that's the top skin welded in with the cross member. To weld that edge, I had to cut out that, but I'll weld that corner up. And then it's just this piece that has to go underneath. And then be welded on. Just going to grind down a bit more. And then it's done.